Hello everyone, let us continue with the chapter Molecular Basis of Inheritance part 16. Now we are going to learn about a new topic called as Human Genome Project. What is this genome? Genome is the complete set of genetic information. So the genetic information that is present in the haploid set of chromosome. So that is what we are going to learn. So what is the complete set of chromosome? What is the information? So n number of chromosomes. So n is 23. So if you take a female gamete, it is 22 plus X. If you take a male gamete, it is 22 plus Y. So this project, it was carried out to learn all the genetic information that is present in this 22 number of autosomes, 22 plus X, and one more you have Y. So how many chromosomes? 24 it is totally. So this project, it was carried out to find out the complete set of genetic information. Okay, and this project, it was launched in the year 1990. Actually the estimation was to complete in 2003. Okay, so the project was completed in 2003. So you call this to be what? Mega project. It is a mega project. Why? It was carried out for 13 years. So it is called as a 13-year project. And this Human Genome Project, it was coordinated by US Department of Energy and the National Institute of Health. So it was coordinated by US Department of Energy and the National Institute of Health. Okay. And then what were the additional contributions given from other countries? The additional contributions came from Japan, France, and even Germany, China, and even others. Okay. So this was very useful to find out the genetic information in the complete set of chromosomes. Okay, that is why here you call this to be Human Genome Project. Right? Okay. Now example, if we take in human, what about the human genome? It is approximately, it is 3 into 10 to the power 9 base pairs. 3 into 10 to the power 9 base pairs. So what about to find out one base pair? To find out one base pair, to learn the sequence about one base pair, what is the cost? The estimation was about, for one base pair, it was about $3. How many dollars? $3 US dollars. For what? Cost of sequencing for only one base pair. Just imagine 3. How many, what about the genome sequence? It is approximately about 3 into 10 to the power 9 base pairs. So 3 into 3, what happens here? 9 billion US dollars is needed to find out the sequence for the human genome. So it is too costly, right? And then if it has to be all these genetic information, if it has to be printed in the form of a booklet, right? So each page if you take, right? Example, if each page if you take, so 1000 letters, right? Each page consists of how many? 1000 letters. What about one book? Imagine 1000 pages. So it needs 3300 books to store all the genetic information for the genome. So haploid set of chromosome, right? So that is nothing but the genome, complete set of genetic information. So to store all the genetic informations about these 23 plus you have what? So if it is a female gamete, 22 plus 22 autosomes plus X, right? And if you take Y is different, right? So you have to learn about 24, right? So all these informations have to be stored. So how many books are needed? 3300 books are needed. So that is why they have introduced a new technique. You call that to be bioinformatics, where all these complete set of genetic information can be stored in a database. We are going to learn about goals of Human Genome Project. And what is the main goal? What did we learn now? It helps in storing the information in database. So this Human Genome Project, actually why it was carried out? The DNA sequence in each and every individual, it is being different. That is the reason scientists have started sequencing the human DNA. But it was very difficult to store the information. That is the reason this Human Genome Project, it was closely associated with a new development of an area which is called as what? Bioinformatics. So what is bioinformatics? All the information that can be stored in the case of database. So all the information that is stored in database. Okay. Next, what is the goal? It helps in improving the tools for data analysis. To analyze in each and every data, this Human Genome Project, it is very helpful. And next one, it is also helpful in determining the sequence of 3 billion chemical base pairs. 3 into 10 to the power 9 base pairs, that is 3 billion base pairs that make up the human DNA. And next, to identify all the approximately, what is the number of genes? 20,000 to 25,000 genes are present in human DNA, just an approximately. 20,000 to 25,000 genes that are present in human DNA, it can be identified with the help of what? Human Genome Project. And next one, it also helpful in addressing the, even it may be an ethical issue or legal issue or it is a social issue. In general, you call that to be ELSI. That may arise from the project. So that is the main reason this Human Genome Project was started. Why? Because each and every individual human, they are entirely different, right? So that is the reason scientists have started sequencing the human genome. If you like this video, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and the link is available in the description box. Thank you.